Looking to dominate the pickleball court with the perfect paddle in your hand? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the right paddle can completely transform your game. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best pickleball paddles you can grab right now from Amazon. Stay tuned because number 1 might just surprise you and could be the secret weapon your game's been missing. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the JOOLA Pickleball Overgrip, a game-changing accessory that gives your paddle a second life. Designed by the official paddle sponsor of world number 1, Ben Johns, this premium overgrip adds thickness, control, and a tacky feel that keeps your hands locked in even during the most intense rallies. It's moisture-absorbent, soft, and reduces vibrations. Perfect for those marathon games. And yes, you get 4 wraps in one pack, making it a steal for any serious player. Coming in at number 4 is something many players overlook, the Professor Pickleball Carbon Cleaner. This rubber block does more than clean, it restores. Just a few swipes, and your paddle looks brand new, while the raw carbon fiber pores reopen, giving you that lost ball spin back. It works on all major paddle brands and lasts for over 1,000 cleans. If you want peak performance every time you step on the court, this one's a must-have in your gear bag. At number 3, we have the Niupipo Pickleball Paddle Set, a favorite among tournament players. USAPA approved and made with a fiberglass face and a polypropylene honeycomb core, this paddle is all about power, control, and comfort. It's lightweight, quiet, and reduces stress on your elbow and shoulder. Great for long sessions. With 2 paddles, 4 balls, and a carry bag, this set gives you everything you need to level up instantly. Runner-up on our list is the high-performance JOJOLEMON Pickleball Paddle. With a T700 SC carbon fiber frame and thermoform design, this paddle brings serious durability and stability. Its ultra-light 8.0-ounce build gives you lightning-fast reaction time, while the Teflon coating and foam edges reduce noise and increase control. You'll love the silent yet powerful feel of every shot, making it ideal for both competitive and casual players. And finally, taking the top spot is the GARYE Pickleball Paddle Set. Fully USAPA approved and crafted with premium carbon fiber, this set strikes the perfect balance between power, spin, and control. The 0.69-inch thick core delivers insane bounce without the bulk. Plus, the ergonomic, sweat-absorbing grip ensures you stay locked in during critical moments. It even comes with 6 pickleballs, 2 grip tapes, and a spacious carry bag. This isn't just a paddle, it's a complete upgrade to your pickleball lifestyle. There you have it, the top 5 best pickleball paddles and accessories to up your game. Ready to feel the difference on the court? Check out the links in the description to grab yours today and start playing like a pro. Thanks for watching Clear Cut Reviews. See you in the next one.